Hello and welcome to the SOLIDWORKS What's New. In this video we will start by taking a look at the new enhancements available in SOLIDWORKS 2026 for collaboration. First up for collaboration is Aura, your AI companion. Aura allows you to quickly summarise community posts, wikis, questions and ideas to capture key takeaways at a glance. Inside of SOLIDWORKS Design, Aura enables you to start natural language conversations that pull context from posts, wikis, ideas, and even what's new documentation. With SOLIDWORKS Design 2026, you can save configurations as new individual products. This allows for greater flexibility in how you structure your designs and provides full control over managing the associated references when saved. The SOLIDWORKS community is the best in the industry, and the user forums have always been a rich source of information and help. Now, you can access the forums directly from the SOLIDWORKS Design task pane, making it easier than ever to access the knowledge of the user community. Get valuable feedback on your questions, learn from others, and participate in sharing your own knowledge and insights. SOLIDWORKS Design makes it easy to seamlessly share designs right from the file menu. Choose from an extensive list of standard formats such as PDF, STEP or IGES, and ensure security by controlling who can access the shared designs. Usernames, approval dates and maturity status are all important parts of the change process. With SOLIDWORKS Design, drawing stamping now happens automatically as each change action is completed, providing a final drawing that's complete and accurate. From 2026, SOLIDWORKS Design now provides support for saving weldment cut lists to the 3D Experience platform. As you save your design, simply indicate that you want the cut list items published. Weldments that contain structural, sheet metal and plates are all supported. Once saved, the cut list items are reflected in the task pane and accessible on the 3D Experience platform, allowing you to build a more accurate engineering bill of materials. Design tables have always been a powerful way to create multiple configurations, and linking to an external design table provides convenient access to automating those configurations outside of SOLIDWORKS. Now, when you save your components to the 3D Experience platform, the external design table relationship is recognised. In addition to being stored with the part, you have full visibility to the reference relationships between the two items, ensuring complete design management. Purchase components are a key part of any design. These components, such as this gasket seal, are bought in bulk, assigned a part number, and then can be deformed into their installed state. In SOLIDWORKS Design, you can now identify a component as deformable. To ensure proper traceability, you can associate the installed state component with the purchase component by searching for the part number and selecting from a filtered list of deformable components matching your search. Once associated, the two share a part number, ensuring full traceability when searched. SOLIDWORKS Design now provides the ability for file locations that reference bookmarks to automatically update, ensuring you always have access to the latest content. 3D Swim communities are a powerful tool for collaborating with colleagues. Now, you can extend that collaboration to include projects, issues, bookmarks and more. making it easier than ever to have all of your project information easily accessible in one place. Ensuring the right people in your organisation review and approve a document is an important part of the release process. Now, you can automate the start of a route to ensure the right people get notified for review. Once the approvals are complete, the document is automatically transitioned to release. Bookmarks are a unique way of organising content without duplicating it in multiple locations. Now, it's easier than ever to see all of the bookmarks that are referencing a design and choose what bookmark to open, making accessing your content easy and efficient. Chat is the modern way to communicate. It's quick, convenient and timely. Now you can create custom groups to clearly organise your chats, making them easier to access. In SOLIDWORKS Design 2026, you can create iterations and provide comments describing what has changed. Simply indicate that you want to create a new iteration during the save of your design and add a comment to prove additional clarity to the iteration. These iterations can be accessed at any time, providing you a convenient way to get back to an earlier state of your product. Smart components have long been a powerful way to standardise and automate the creation of features associated with a part. In SOLIDWORKS Design 2026, the components can be fully stored on the 3D Experience platform, making them conveniently accessible to your whole team. Associated features are added, saving you time and ensuring consistent accuracy every time the component is used. In summary, 2026 brings a number of great enhancements. Aura is a virtual AI companion that currently helps to summarise information and conversation searches. Configurations can now be saved as part of new parts or assemblies. Forums can be accessed directly within the SOLIDWORKS interface. Designs can be shared seamlessly directly from the SOLIDWORKS interface with Share Markup. We now have the ability to automatically update drawings with PLM change properties. Weldment cut list items can now be saved to 3D Experience for EBOM and MBOM accuracy. External design tables can now be stored within the cloud. Deformable components can be identified to ensure design accuracy and management. File location bookmarks will now update automatically for ease of use. Projects, issues and bookmarks can now be references within community discussions. Approval workflows can be automated based on maturity status. Enhanced bookmark navigation sees streamlined access to all of an item's bookmarks. Groups can be used to organise group conversations. Comments can be added to iteration versions. And smart components are now supported for use within 3D Experience. And that wraps up the great collaboration enhancements for 2026.